The second task of the final assignment is all about path planning. We will now move to the simulator, and your task is to have your drone, your simulated drone, at a starting point, and the goal is to fly it as fast as possible without bumping into walls to the end point. In this task, the idea is to do that while flying. So you get the drone is the only information you get from the drone is the rangers, the sensors of the range, the yaw, and the optical flow, and you know your starting point and you know the end point. In a way, this task is all about solving a maze, getting from point A, your starting point, to point B, your end point, with respect to the obstacles in the region. So the drone basically flies in a certain height, so you can think of it as a 2D problem. And the task is to write a program which controls the drone, which will fly it to the endpoint in an efficient manner without bumping into the walls. The output of the second task is naturally a set of control algorithms of the drone, and also a path and a log of the rangers or the sensor data. As for the third task of the drone, of this final assignment, we now move to a little bit generalized model where the drone can actually go up and down. There is a certain level. It cannot go underneath the floor. It cannot go above the ceiling. For simplicity, we lock the height for, say, 2 meters, so you can see the drone. There's no ceiling, but it cannot go above the walls. And now you have the same task, but we put a little tweak. You need to go from start to end. You might need to go through the window or search that and so on, and then go back to your start position.